Looking for some real peace and privacy? We're touring a home today that is nestled on a quiet corner lot, offering a smart, functional floor plan. And best of all, there is no HOA. Let's take a look. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole.montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. I go all around the Central Florida region looking for the best opportunities for you. Whether you're relocating from out of state, South Florida, anywhere in Central Florida, or if you're also buying for the first time. Now, we are in Ocala, Florida today, and I'm going to be touring a home right behind me. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it sits on a quiet corner. There is no HOA in the community, which is also a plus for all of you out there. To give you a bigger picture of where we are just an hour and a half away from major cities such as Orlando and Tampa. You're also less than an hour away to Gainesville, home of the Florida Gators. You're also going to be within 30 to 45 minutes of neighboring cities, such as The Villages, Citrus Springs, and Crystal River as well. Now, you are surrounded by tons of trails, tons of springs, and only 25 minutes to downtown Ocala. To give you a more local perspective, you're going to have all of your everyday amenities down Highway 200, which is just a short drive outside of this community. You're going to have Publix, Walmart, Aldi, Home Depot, Starbucks, and Chipotle down that road as well. Now, this home sits in a no HOA community, so there are no restrictions to what you can do to your property. We're going to start this tour right here in front, and as you can see, you have an extended driveway. You have room for about 4 to 6 cars, and you also have additional parking on the front. This home offers a really nice modern look. You have a beautiful brown garage door. You have light fixtures that also give the modern look. And you have a nice front porch area here as well. So if you wanted to put some rocking chairs and a nice table to read, that's the perfect spot for that. You also have stacked stone accents in the columns and some landscaping done for you too. Now let's step inside. Stepping inside of this home, you are greeted with a traditional foyer. Now, a lot of feedback I'm getting from clients is that this is something they're really looking for nowadays. You have an area for a console table or built-ins, however you choose. This home is going to offer a split floor plan sitting at under 1,800 square feet of heated living. The minute you enter, you are greeted with an open concept floor plan that's truly inviting. Now, we're going to take a look at the kitchen, and this is going to be where your pantry will be. Through this kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances, but the real showstopper is this oversized kitchen island. You have space for some bar seating over there. This kitchen comes fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, modern hardware. Now, over here, you also have a nice dining area situated for a large table, and it offers 3 beautiful windows that overlook the backyard of your home. You also have access to your backyard and a separate porch through this door. Behind this door here, you have a really nice, spacious laundry room that offers a lot of quiet because it's tucked away from all of the bedrooms. You also have a beautiful window here, which brings in lots of natural light. Now, from your kitchen and dining, directly across is going to be your living room. Again, that open concept floor plan we see here offers a place for you to gather with family, with friends, and to host as well. You have a spacious living room here, enough for a really big couch and a nice oversized wall for a television as well. You have 2 sliding doors that offer indoor-outdoor lifestyle when you're entertaining too. There's going to be a wood look tile throughout the entire home, so there will be no carpet for you. Now, directly down this hall, we're going to take a look at your primary bedroom. Stepping into your primary bedroom, you see that it is quite oversized. You have 2 windows here that offer lots of natural light, and they face the side of your property. This primary bedroom offers a lot of space and functionality for you. They've placed some pendant lights that you're able to change out for ceiling fans if you wanted to. We're going to take a look at the closet. You have a true walk-in closet here, space on both sides, and they already offer some metal racks for you. Stepping outside of the closet, you're gonna also have an ensuite bathroom. Now this bathroom is really, really nice. You have a shower and a soak-in tub as well, so you have the best of both worlds. This bathroom offers a lot of space for getting ready. So you have a porcelain tile that goes all the way up. It really gives a nice elegant touch. You have some herringbone tile on the bottom, and then you have ceramic tile throughout the entirety of the bathroom. The soak-in tub here is situated right by the windows, so imagine at the end of the day from working, you can read a book, enjoy a nice tub moment. Now you also have granite countertops throughout the entire home and soft close cabinets in all of our bathrooms. Now we're gonna take a look at the garage, and then shortly after, we're gonna go past the kitchen and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. Stepping outside of your primary bedroom, you have access to your garage. Very convenient. If you're coming home from work, you can directly go into the room and drop your things off. This garage has space for 2 cars. You will have your water heater, your electric panel, and your AC handler all within the garage. You have enough space for a golf cart, or if you work out from home, you can definitely turn this into a home gym. You also have outlets on each side, perfect for convenience for you. Directly down the hall, we're gonna take a look at the other bedrooms right past the kitchen. If you're looking for extra space, this house has it. You have 4 bedrooms to create into either an office, nursery, whatever you need. The first guest bedroom looks out into the front yard with these really nice windows here, which by the way are energy efficient throughout the entire home. Again, you have a light pendant here if you wanted to change it out to a fan fixture, but you also have a built-in closet over to my right. Directly across the hall, you're gonna have your second guest bedroom. Equally as nice as the previous bedroom, this one also overlooks the front of your property and offers a lot of space. Again, there's no carpet anywhere in the bedrooms, which is a really nice touch. Down the hall, you're also gonna have a spacious linen closet right over here to my left before we reach the guest bathroom. Inside of the guest bathroom, you have a lot of space. So in the front, you have your vanity here, again with granite countertops. And then right past this archway, you have a shower and a tub duo with subway tile that goes all the way up. And if you wanted added privacy, you can definitely install a door right through here. Now the last bedroom is towards the end of the hall, and this one is a little bit bigger than the first 2. So you have a window that overlooks the side of your property. Again, really spacious for a queen size bed, or if you wanted to make it into an office. But the closet in this bedroom is a walk-in closet. So you have a lot of space for adding some cabinetry on the bottom, and then you already have a metal rack up here. Well, that wraps up our interior. Let's go take a look at the backyard. We are standing in the covered lanai, and as you can see, it's pretty expansive. You already have an outlet here for a television or an outdoor kitchen if you wanted to build one. Now, with this home sitting on 0.29 acres with no HOA, you're able to do whatever you want to your property. With all this space back here, you can definitely put some pavers out and extend a patio screen if you want, or put whatever kind of fence as well. The septic tank is also located on the front of your property, so you're able to put a pool in if you choose. You have a wooded area here that offers not only peace, but privacy from the homes right behind. Well, that wraps up our exterior. Let's go inside and finish today's tour. Well, that concludes today's home tour. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos. We just toured a beautiful home here in Ocala, Florida, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, sitting on 1,800 square feet of heated living on a quiet corner lot. This home is priced right under $350,000. Again, I'm Nicole Montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. And if you're looking to relocate, if you're buying for the first time, or you're interested in the property we toured today, go ahead and find my contact in the description below. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.